Do you know what sizes I have taken for this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen in this video, I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 2 container of 20 feet. The total area I have taken is width is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 8 feet 4 inches into 12 feet in meter 2.54 into 3.65 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement and tea table arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have small library section here, and we have dining counter with 2 chairs here and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the right side we have a room, and room size is 7 feet into 8 feet in meter 2.13 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed and a large size window for ventilation in the light purpose. After that we will go inside. So on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet into 3 feet 8 inches in meter 2.13 into 1.11 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and water closet and shower area both are separate. We have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 5 feet into 7 feet in meter 1.52 into 2.13 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have a window for ventilation of this kitchen. And on the right side we have room. The size of the room is 7 feet into 7 feet in meter 2.33 into 2.33 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size window for ventilation of this room. We have a small powder room here with this room. The size of the powder room is 3 feet into 3 feet 8 inches in meter 0.91 into 1.11 meter. You can see here the water closet. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.